Have you ever seen a beautiful flowing water animation created entirely in PowerPoint? In today's video, you will learn how to create a seamless, realistic water flow animation that looks smooth, natural, and professional. By the end of this video, you will also learn how to export it as a transparent animated GIF. Let's get started. First, go to Insert and select Picture. Insert a water tap PNG image from your device. You can download or create these images easily from the internet. Now, insert a rectangle and drag it. Remove the shape outline and fill it with black color. Duplicate this rectangle and adjust it to create a base for the ground. Insert a trapezoid shape. Click on Rotate and select with Vertical. Remove the outline and fill it with a light blue color. Duplicate the trapezoid, insert a rectangle shape and place it over the trapezoid. First select the trapezoid, then select the rectangle, click Merge Shape and select Subtract. Align both shapes to the center and group them. Select the single trapezoid shape, go to Shape Effect and slightly increase the transparency. Now, select the Curve tool. Draw a smooth, natural flowing water path in any direction you like. Remove the outline and fill it with light blue color. Send the shape to the back. Duplicate the slide. On the duplicated slide, right-click on the curve and choose Edit Points. Modify the shapes of the curve. Duplicate the slide 3 more times and repeat the same process. Select all the slides. Go to the Transition tab. Set the duration to 0.10 seconds. Enable After and set it to 0.10 seconds. Copy and paste these slides multiple times. If you want a slow flow, change the duration to 0.25 seconds. Go to File and click Export. Select Create Animated GIF. Choose Extra Large for best quality. Enable the transparency option if you want a transparent background. Click Create GIF and save the file. Insert the GIF into a new slide. Now, play the slideshow and you will see a smooth flowing water animation. With just shape, curve, and slide transition, you have created a professional, realistic water flow animation in PowerPoint. No external software is required. This effect is perfect for presentation, explainer, videos, creative visuals, and motion design projects. If you enjoyed this tutorial, like the video, subscribe to the channel for more PowerPoint animation tutorials. Comment below and tell me which animation you want to learn next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.